Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to discuss the revision of chapter 3 and 4. Before this we discussed the revision of chapter 1 and 2, and in that video I also explain you about the syllabus and pattern of the unit test. So now first of all I would like to explain you the pattern and syllabus of UT1 again. So in this first of all see the syllabus of UT1. So syllabus of UT1 chapter 1, that is integer, chapter 2 fraction, chapter 3 decimal, and chapter 4, that is rational number. So you have to prepare for these four chapters in your UT1 exam. And now after this again you can see the pattern of paper. Your paper will consist of 50 marks and timing will be 2 hours, and it is divided into 5 parts. So first of all, A part, multiple choice question. So 5 multiple choice question are there and 2 marks each. So total marks of multiple choice question is 10. After this, B part, true false. True false, there are 5 true false and 1 marks each. So total number of question will be 5 and total marks will be 5. Now match the following. Total 5 match the following are there and 1 marks each. So therefore total marks will be 5. Now after this, fill in the blanks. In fill in the blanks, 5 questions are there and 2 marks each. So total marks will be 10. After this, E part, that is one word answer. In this there will be 5 question and each question carry 4 marks. So there for 20 marks will be there. So here you have to solve the question and you have to write the correct answer. So total number of question 25 and total marks is 50. So in this way you have to prepare for your unit test. Now after this, see decimal. So here chapter 3 starts. So chapter 3 is decimal. So in decimal, look here, first of all I would like to start from the definition of decimal. So what is decimal? So the number which can be expressed in decimal form are called as decimal. So the number like example 1.8, 4.2, 5.125, 0.001, all these are decimal number. So a decimal consists of two parts. Basically in decimal there are two parts. One is whole number part and other is decimal part. So in this you can see 8.79. Here 8 is whole number part and 79 is decimal part. Now after this, see next. So here basically decimal are of two type. First is like decimal and second is unlike decimal. So what are like decimal? In like decimal, these type of decimal have same number of decimal places. That means 6.73, 8.05, 6.12, 19.23. So when you will see this, so all the decimal parts are on same place value. That means 6.73. So 6.73 you can see after decimal there are two digits. Here also after decimal two digits. So when there are same number of decimal places are there, they are known as like decimal. And in unlike decimal, these type of decimal have different number of decimal. For example 5.3, 6.23, 7.564, 10.032, 14, etc. So in this way you can difference between like decimals and unlike decimal. So after, look here, now we can see the question. So here, find the product. So how you can do multiplication in decimal? So see first part, 7.92 multiply by 10. So when it is multiply by 10, so decimal point is shift to the right by one place, because in 10 there is 1 0, so it will shift in one right side. So here it will become 7.92 into 10, it will become 739.2. Similarly second part we can see 7.54 into 10. So here also decimal will shift one place, so it will become 75.4. So we can write here 75.4. Now after this, see divide. So here first part is 131.6 by 10. Similarly when we do division, so in division also on dividing a decimal number by 10. So when we divide any decimal number by 10, the decimal point is shifted to left by one place. So in this it's shifted by left. So when 131.6 divided by 10, so in this one decimal place will shift to left side, or so here it will become 13.16. Similarly, see its second part. In second part also we have 23.4 when we divide it by 100. So in this case point will shifted two places left. So when the point will shift two places left, it will become 0.234. So in this way you can do multiplication, division, or addition and subtraction also in decimals. Now, so after this we can start our fourth chapter, that is rational number, which is also very important chapter. So first of all we would like to explain here the definition of rational number. So in rational number, the numbers which can be represented in the form of a upon b. Okay, look here, the number which can represented in the form of a upon b, where a and b are integers and a is not equal to 0. Here the compulsory thing is that a will not equal to 0. For example, 1 upon 2, 4 upon 5, 8 upon 9, or 0. 0 is also a rational number because we can write 0 as 0 upon 1. So 0 is also a rational number, and minus 15 upon 14, etc. So all these are rational number. So operations on rational number means in rational number can be added, subtracted, multiply, or divide also. So after this, see some questions related to rational number. So see question number 1. Write down the numerator and denominator of each of the following rational number. So here 18 upon 19. So here this 8 upon 19. So 8 is numerator and 19 is denominator. So always the upper part will be numerator and lower part will be denominator. Now after this, see question number 2. Express 5 upon 8 as rational number with numerator 15. So here solution: to get 15 in the numerator, multiply by 3 for both numerator and denominator. So here we have to make numerator as 15. So here we have given 5 upon 8. So for making 5 upon 8, so for making 5 as 15, we will multiply it by 3. That means here numerator and denominator both will multiply by 3. So here we can write 5 into 3 upon 8 into 3. So it will become 15 upon 24. Now after this, see question number 3. In question number 3, express 4 by 7 as a rational number with denominator 21. So here to get 21 as denominator, we have to multiply 7 by 3. So we will multiply numerator and denominator both by 3. So we can write here 4 into 3 divided by 7 into 3. So it will become 12 upon 21. So 12 upon 21 will be answer. In this way we can make denominator 21. Now after this, see question number 4. Fill in the blanks with correct symbol out of greater than, lesser than, or equal to. So these type of question can come in the form of fill in the blanks. So look here, in question number 4 we have minus 3 upon 7 and 6 upon minus 13. So for that, first of all we will take LCM of 7 and 13, and then after solving we will find that minus 3 upon 7 will be greater than 6 upon minus 13. So in this way you have to try more and more questions related to these chapters. So, and finally thank you for watching the video and wish you all the best for your unit test. So thank you.